So today I'm trying the Cambodian Khmer fish curry with nom bai cho. I don't know how to pronounce, so sorry. So let's try. It's similar like the noodle. So for me, it's not spicy as an Indian. So the flavor is like inside like coconut milk and the flavor of chicken powder, fish sauce, and flavor of the perhok fish, the fermented fish, and a little bit of the flavor of lemongrass. So the combination of this is really so delicious. And we try with the Coke. It's so amazing, you know. Okay, have you ever tried this? Please comment down.